You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, and that's the Spanish version. That is actually quite common, but I have a video for this, so forget about this. So how do you pronounce this one? This is generally a name of, say, Norse origin, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and up there it is pretty consistently in Swedish, Norway, Norwegian, Danish as Joakim, Joakim. Now in English this is often pronounced as Joakim, Joakim, but in Norse languages, Joakim, Joakim. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of names that many get confused by. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.